Hama. Mana?
Hayo.
Dulu kan? Ini aduh. See, this one is thick. Like some are like barely border and some are like little bit like stone dust. Something like that. Some. He will now demonstrate like how to load. Makan gitu kayak itu one, two, three.
cái chuyện là số lớn vẫn là lập kiện.
No, actually we semis not even guns, but then with these spears, obviously we use those. But then, and we semi culture, the spears and those are for the guys, not for the girls. So if needed, it's depend upon the situation. Till then, we are forefathers. We don't. We semis. The girls, we don't get the guns in this one.
I won't say women are not allowed to use guns. You know, culturally, traditionally, most of the time, men are the ones who uses gun. You know, who takes gun, because women are considered with the highest standard and honor in Angami Naga society. You know, they are protected. They should be protected. So hardly you will find in our tradition where women takes guns or dowels or spears or whatnot. You know, that's the job of the man. Man has to protect their women. A man who is unable to protect their women is not a man. You know, that is what is culturally and traditionally, and even today, that is that truth still holds truth in our society. Women should be protected, so there is no need for another woman to take guns to protect him. I mean herself. It is the job of the man to protect their women.
Ngồi chân nhầm quá, giờ bây giờ băng vào bây xa bắn nóc sạch vậy là, giờ phải thì giống nhầm súng luôn vậy, giờ mưa tới mò tới gì thế, với thì use gì.
So like previous time, like there was only spear and then dao, so it was like a powerful weapon. So the muzzle-loading is like muzzle-loading replace the dao and spear like as a warrior, because it gives more strength and power. So like it used in like big occasion like festival, as well as like when we fight in a battle like a warrior. At that time, this muzzle-loading is like the main weapon for using that.
Sila mangap.
Like from the ancient time, still there's nothing like particular like that. Like women has not even used the weapon. Like even today, they have never tried, but it's not restricted actually. But they have never tried.